Alongside our famous individualism, there's another ingredient in the American saga, a belief that we're all connected as one people. If there's a child on the south side of Chicago who can't read, that matters to me even if it's not my child. If there's a senior citizen somewhere who can't pay for their prescription drugs and having to choose between medicine and the rent, that makes my life poorer even if it's not my grandparent. It is that fundamental belief, I am my brother's keeper, I am my sister's keeper, that makes this country work.
They go by to shoot y'all.
Right in front of you.
Save me, darkness.
All my life I grew around gang niggas, drug dealers and niggas that deal with you. I'm 25 and I'm my mama's house. Ain't got shit to prove, no. When you see me, I ain't no hoe, nigga. Straight up, I survived all of this time. For one reason, I took advice from OGs and ran with it. I realized I got this fucking street. I got no limit, had to fight to earn respect, just roam freely. Life was tough and life was rough. Eating noodles by the packs and nothing left. My brothers want my hand-me-downs. Mama was stressed, depressed. I fired cause of a charge. We felt oppressed and distress. Yes. Lived in a house with no utilities, no electric, no water, no nothing. Cause I fucking stepdad wanted other things. I was nothing but hate. I feel with hate with no power to make a change for a way or even better days. Yeah. Sometimes we all go through our struggles, but just know someone else in the world always worse than yours. Listen, little nigga, stay strong, keep your head up, so I gonna knock your fucking shit off. Real
Save me, darkness.
They could've tamed me, but I wouldn't let it. Could've been a young nigga, told Smith and Wesson. I out here locked up for murder to build statistics. I wiped the tears from my eyes, I told her we together. I had to build for my mom, and my brothers. All we had was us and self-trust. Like was a burden, sacrifices was the only way. Grew in a hurry, diamond in the rough for time months. I got me 30 from 318-206, nigga. I'm still thugging, growing up in my city and still here. Bitch, I feel lucky. Thank the Lord every day. I pray He didn't touch me. Shout out to them Beverly boys, they keep them clutches. Can't nothing touch them. At 14, I hated Sundays and going to churches. They made fun of what I had on, and school was worse. Being homeless 5 fucking times, lived with my cousins. So I got the right to flex, nigga. Yeah. Sometimes we all got our struggles. Just know